Did you guys like those stickers? If so, I do have some for sale. Hit me up on Instagram at boosted_John to secure yours now, or email me at the email in the pinned comment down below. Anyway, today I'm gonna be doing Skunk2 LMAs on my B16 VTEC cylinder head. If you guys have been following the build, this was a built LS VTEC setup. It was freshly rebuilt and it only had about 500 miles on it when I started hearing a tapping noise. In the past, I tweaked and I pulled the motor out, completely disassembled it, only to find that the tapping noise was just the LMAs. I thought it was rod knock. So today, we're gonna be solving that problem, hopefully once and for all, with a set of Skunk2 LMAs that were sent out by Throttle. More on them later, but here is the part number. If you're here for the tutorial, you probably want me to get started, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And if you're here just because you watch every video, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're not part of that group, please consider subscribing. Let's get started. Go somewhere, go away. Go on the fresh built bottom end. All right, here's our VTEC cylinder head. Mine is already kind of disassembled, so cam, girdle, whatever, cam cap thing, this can come right off. So now you've got your cams out and you're ready to go ahead and start pulling out like the rocker assembly. The way that we're gonna do this, and shout out to another YouTube video that I watched to learn how to do this myself. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below just in case I mess anything up. That video was awesome. You gotta take out this Allen plug and this Allen plug. They're both 10mm. You gotta take off your VTEC solenoid, which I've already done, and you have to take out this 10mm Allen cap, I guess. Quick tip, I heard that they seize a lot on these things, so I'm gonna go ahead and torch mine before I go ahead and even crank on them, just so that way I don't strip them. Sweet, so we got the plugs out. That's what it looks like. Next, we gotta get these two pins out right here. They just pop straight out. Once the pins are out, there's one big long shaft that runs all the way along this entire rocker assembly, all the way to the side of the cylinder head. Same thing here. Once those pins are out, those should just slide out, and we're gonna be grabbing each one of the rockers and setting it down in its exact order behind the head over here. All right, let's see if I can get it with a pick here.
Oh. Uh-oh.
All right.
Kind of just sticking the pick into the end of the tube and hooking the hole where the pin goes through and pulling it out. You could do this with the engine still in the car. The only thing is, you would probably have to unbolt your T-bracket and your engine side motor mount. So you probably have to unbolt that, probably have to unbolt the mount back there, and then jack up the whole engine to get the head just high enough to clear the fender for those shafts to fit all the way out. All right, here you can see we have access to all the LMAs. Will they come out? I'm gonna have to pull them out with something. Good thing I have this handy dandy Leatherman Skeletool CX multi-tool.
Oh.
All right, I've got all the old stock LMAs out and laid out with the rocker assemblies. I found these Skunk2 lost motion assemblies on www.throttle.com. Link in the description down below to this exact product. I do earn a small commission from every single purchase made after clicking my link. So I do appreciate you guys supporting my small business and doing so. Also, get yourself an upgrade that you definitely need. And every dollar spent is an entry to win an AP2 Honda S3000 plus $20,000 cash that Throttle is building. Use code BOOSTED at checkout for up to 15% off your entire order and get entered for a chance to win and get yourself the car parts you already need for your build. Anyway, let's get these opened up and get them tossed in.
They look like little beehives. Bam, dude. Looking sharp, B16. Looking like you're gonna be revving to like 9K RPM, pushing like 25, 30 pounds of boost. Aw, snap.
All right, now like I said, I've never done this before, so I have no idea how I'm gonna get the rocker assemblies back in. Seems like a little bit of a pain. For good measure, I'm gonna apply some assembly lube. Not that this is necessary, but since this is gonna be like a fresh build, I'm gonna go ahead and do this just for me.
Alright.
That's not so bad, it's just gonna take some patience. I'm gonna go ahead and just work through this and I will get back to you guys when it's done. All right, I've stopped here on purpose. The shafts are about all the way in, but I wanted to show you guys something. Obviously the pins that we took out earlier, those pins over there, have to go into this hole. So we want it facing straight up and we wanna watch down in here. I think you guys will be able to see this. We wanna watch down in here for when the shaft lines up with our hole right there. Then we'll take our pin, maybe gotta go in a little bit more, right there maybe. Aha, pin's in. Same thing here, so straight in, right about there, pin, boom, pins are in. That is how you replace your LMAs. As you can see, they're literally so much better. Now this VTEC rocker isn't gonna be like banging around and tapping. I'm hoping to have a much quieter head. We'll see what happens. But there they are. I'm curious, can you get them out once they're installed? With the aftermarket ones, let's see. Maybe if you use like a pick. I don't know if I'm about to mess a bunch of shit up, but I don't mind taking it back apart to find this out. Oh yeah, dude. Yo, you can remove the aftermarket ones once they're installed. That's really cool. Now how to get it back in there, I guess. Just jam it back in there. All right, dude, that's a pretty cool upgrade. So way, way better. And I'm excited to get this head installed on that motor. All right, I'm not gonna go any further because at this point, this head in this exact state is how I want to install it on the short block when the short block is assembled. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Oh, I have to put the little Allen caps back in. Anyway, Skunk2 LMAs. I guess I'll update you guys in the future on how they are. If they actually sound quieter, that'd be huge. Again, like the video, please subscribe. And if you guys want a set of those stickers, again, DM me on Instagram or email me at the email in the pinned comment down below. I'm Boosted John. We deserve nothing, earn everything.